Hi, my name is Kay, and today I'll be presenting on the next generation science standards, which have been adopted in almost all states. These standards have been put in place for K-12 sciences, which are rich in content and practice, arranged in a coherent manner across disciplines and grades to provide all students an internationally benchmarked science education. Um, these standards could be found on nextgenscience.org, along with a variety of videos that linked here to give you a better in-depth explanation of the benefits of NGSS, which could also be found with the resources for teachers and a number of other videos that give testimony on how to implement these standards in the classroom. So NGSS coordinates with the English Language, Arts, and Mathematics Common Core State Standards, and it also reflects how science is used in the real world by integrating and applying the content. Furthermore, each standard has three dimensions: disciplinary core ideas, which is the content, scientific and engineering practices, and cross-cutting concepts. So the improved K-12 science standards will better prepare high school graduates for rigors of college and careers. And that leads me to disciplinary ideas grouped around four domains: the physical sciences, the life sciences, the earth and space sciences, and engineering, technology, and applications of science. And for more details, I've included a number of documents here. So here you could get the PDF of the standards, and if you open it up or if you go online and research them, they'll pop up like this, which gives you the standards and those three dimensions that I mentioned earlier. The framework is also available in PDF, which is what the standards are based on. And here I've attached the International Science Benchmarking Report, which shows the how the integration of standards found across the world are applied to these standards. So why NGSS? Well, as you can see here, there's a number of different countries that these standards are based on, and Canada is one of them, and that's where I'm from. One of the main ways to identify high-performing education systems is through international assessments, particularly the Program for International Student Assessment and Trends in International Mathematics and Science Study. Consistent high performance includes countries like Singapore, Finland, Korea, Canada, along with England and Hong Kong and Japan. International benchmarking is important from a national perspective to ensure our long-term economic competitiveness. So before learning of NGSS, I was only aware of the STEM programs, which is a combination of the essentials of science, technology, engineering, and math together in understanding concepts, which are practiced in classes internationally, including both US and Canada. As an example, I've been looking into San Diego Unified School District, and they've been aware of these standards since 2012, which is because of these publications by Stanford. I've attached two articles here. In 2013, California Assessment of Student Performance of Progress now includes the adopted science assessment based on NGSS. And then for 2014, the school district started collaborating with Groundwork Earth Lab, which is with UCSD, and giving opportunities for students to practice learning and applying NGSS. For 2015 and 2016, the local common funding formula was responsible for the implementations of these standards, along with the Common Core State Standards and the English Language Development Standards. So in terms of their mission statement, which is all San Diego students will graduate with the skills, motivation, curiosity, and resilience to succeed in their choice of college and career in order to lead and participate in society of tomorrow. So in reference to NGSS, as we can see, the skills and motivations is due to the higher levels of expectations that are recognized internationally and expected at the state and federal level. Their curiosity and resilience is through the collaboration with external resources, providing opportunities to explore beyond the school parameters and building on student interest. And then finally, reaching college and career opportunities because skilled jobs require more education, and many of the growing occupations require science and mathematics. So at this point, that's the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. Please feel free to go through the website and click on all the links and attachments for more information.